Oh hey! I'm Jade and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. Let's get started. Alright, so first I'm gonna go in with some Glossier priming moisturizer to prime my face. Okay, so next I'm going to cover my face with a small layer of Skin Tint by Glossier. And sometimes I'll put it on my face and just blend it in with my fingers. Now I'm gonna cover them just a little more with the Glossier Stretch Concealer. And voila! I'm perfect and flawless now. And that's the look, just kidding. Alright, so I'm putting my earrings in. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and do my eyebrows. Oh, nice. Oh, and I'm using Boy Brow in Blonde, which is gorgeous. Alright, and next I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows a little bit with my Benefit pencil thing from Benefit. Okay, so I'm gonna prime my lips so that when I start doing my lipstick later, then they're all ready. I'm using the Agave primer. Delicious. Don't eat it. Okay, so now I'm gonna be doing my eyes with the Lime Crime Venus palette. Super shiny, super cool. I got this a while ago, probably 2 years ago, and it's still going strong. Alright, let's go. And I think I'm gonna be using the shade Venus, which is this like reddish coral shade right here. Now I'm just going over it with some Rebirth, which is this like pinkish coral shade. It's a very intense pigment. And now I'm wiping the corner so that it looks more sharp with a makeup wipe and not my finger. Fingers don't work. That looks good. Alright, other eye. Whoa. Okay, and then I'm gonna wipe it off one more time. Just to get a nice crisp, like, thing. Okay, now that I look like a cat. Alright, so I'm gonna do my, these boys, the contour, I think a little bit, but it's more like blush. I'm gonna be using Glossier's Cloud Paint. Comes in this cute little paint tube, and it's very easy to blend. So I like to just squirt a little bit on my hand, like most things. and then just work my magic. Wow, it's really easy to use. Just FYI. Beautiful. Okay, sorry that was loud. Okay, beautiful. Now next up I'm going to put some highlighter. Halo Scope by Glossier, just because I am in love with them. And okay. Okay. So next up, I'm gonna do some the mascara. Yes. And I use the Benefit They're Real because I like the way that it feels. And yes. So it might look like I'm crying right now, and that's because I am. And yes, don't stab yourself while you're doing this. Makeup's a very dangerous sport. I'm struggling. Alright, so next up I'm gonna like spritz up my eyes a little bit with some Milk makeup products that I bought the other day. Let's go! So this one is called Milk Eye Vinyl, and it's in the shade Bridge, which is kind of like a very clear shade when I tested it out. And I wanted to just kind of like brush it over my eyes. I think it's gonna look cool, hopefully. We will see. Alright. Oh, there you can see it. So if I like show you like this, that's how glossy it looks. It's very cool. Kind of looks like lipstick on my eye. Yeah. Okay, next eye. Alright, I'll have to clean that up I think later. Alright, so now I'm gonna do little hearts under my eyes with the Milk Makeup tattoo stamp, which I also bought because I thought it was very cool, and it comes in a cool little holographic looking thing. Yes, and it's called a tattoo stamp. Alright, and now I'm gonna go back and just tidy up the little hearts because it left a bit of a room. Kind of see how seductive and cool they look. And is this a good? Now I'm just gonna line my lips with these matchstick lipsticks from Red Earth. They sent me a really nice red color because I'm one of their reps, and I really love these. Yeah, and they look like little cricket bats. I don't know. There. Very cute. Very easy to use on the go. All right. Let's go. Put on this lovely red lipstick from Bite Beauty, and it's in the shade Maple. It's my reddest lipstick I own, I think. Okay. And that's a good trick to do if you don't want to get lipstick on your teeth. Okay. And then lastly, I'm just gonna top it off with my new Fenty lip gloss from Fenty Beauty. It's beautiful. It's called Gloss Bomb. I think they only have one right now, but it makes you feel like Rihanna, so I just love it. Look at it. Oh, I'm so glossy. Look at me. Okay, and now last but not least, I'm gonna put on a beret as like just a cute addition to this look. You don't have to put on a beret, but it helps. Okay, and lastly, I'm gonna put on these boys. And I'm ready to go. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. This has been Jade. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching my very first YouTube tutorial. If you enjoyed watching this, please go ahead and like and subscribe wherever that is. It really helps me out. And then leave some comments down below if you'd like me to do other makeup looks, other things on my channel. Just throw it out there if you're interested in seeing more of me. And yes, and then I'll have my social medias, Instagrams right here somewhere. I'll put them right here for you guys to follow. And I'll leave them down below as well. Last but not least, I am a Red Earth rep, so you can get 15% off when you shop with me. I'll leave that link below as well. Anything on their website. They're a cool Australian brand. Yes, cool. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. Happy Valentine's Day. Spread the love. Bye everyone. Enjoy your day.